Hi friends, welcome to Syscom Digital Marketing Institute. An ad on TikTok sounds great, but how can I place an ad on TikTok? What will be the requirements? Can TikTok be a relevant business promoting platform? There are thousands of questions in my mind. After that, I decided to place an ad on TikTok. And then I realized it is simple and easiest way. Let's watch. Needs to create a TikTok ad? I am here to help you. Browse ads.tiktok.com from Google. First of all, you need to log in. If you are a new user, click on Create an Ad option. From Create an Ad option, you need to choose your country. There will be 3 options asking for what purpose you are using the account. You need to choose one of them and click Next. A new page appears to create an account. Here you need to type your account name, your email ID, then create a password and retype to confirm. And also enter your mobile number. You can click on Next only after accepting the terms and conditions. The next step is account setup. A verification code is sent to your mail. Before that, select time zone. There is no correct time zone, so I choose Decca, which has only a small time difference. Fill all portions before the time expires. If time expires, click on the recent option, then click on register. Now you registered successfully and you need to log in for safety issues. Enter password to log in. After that, you have to do verification by drag and drop. Drag the small part to fit the puzzle. Now you are logged in and choose Create an Ad option. You will see a new page. On the left side of this page, you can see a campaign. Under campaign, there is advertising objective. At this page, you can see 2 options, create new and use existing. If you have a campaign, then choose use existing. Now I am creating a new campaign. In advertising objective, there are 3 options. First one is traffic. With traffic, you can create ads that send people to your website. Second one is conversions. An action that counted with someone interact with your ad and then takes an action that you are designed as valuable to your business. And third one is app install. It makes easy to promote your apps. When you choose traffic, a setting section will appear. Here you need to add a campaign name. Then select budget. When you don't want to choose no limit option, you have to spend rupees 50,000 per day or lifetime. You can choose either daily or lifetime. If you select no limit, then you can stop your ad at any cost and it's up to your choice. Click on continue. Let's go to the second section, that is ad group. Type ad group name as your choice. Going through the placements, There is automatic placement and select placement. We need to select one among these two types. After creating an ad group, we cannot change the placement type. So select the right one of your choice. In automatic placement, ad will show automatically. In selected placements, you can manually select multiple placements according to your choice. If you need to place your ad only on TikTok, then select TikTok from the list. The next section is ad details. Choose the promotion type if you need to promote your website. Then choose website and enter the URL of your website. Type display name. Upload profile image and choose most related category which suits your website. You can add up to 20 tags which are separated with a comma. The terms related to your website can be added as tags. If you need to see viewers comment, then switch on the user comment or else switch off it. By using automated creative optimization, you can save time and effort, extend your ad's lifetime value, and also get more quality ad traffic. Moving to the targeting section, you can choose audience, which is optional. If you need to remove any user from viewing your ad, then you can enter the track ID of that user in the exclude area. Then that user cannot see your ad, which is optional. In demographics section, select locations that your ads needs to be published. Select gender. If you choose female, then females only can see your ad. If you need to see your ad by all, then choose no limit. Select the age limit. You can select more than one age groups or you can choose no limit. Thereby all age groups can see your ad. Select languages. The interest category means you can pick any tag related to your ad from the list and your ad can be visible to only that kind of viewers. That is, if you select education from the list, then the users who searches about education can only see your ad. If you need to see your ad to all users, then select all from the list. Select connection type, carriers, device price and all versions according to your choice. In budget and schedule section, you need to select daily budget or lifetime budget. The minimum limit is rupees 2000 per day. In schedule, you can pick the lifetime as per your needs or you can opt run continuously option. In day parting, you can select all day or can scheduled. In bidding and optimization section, you need to enter bid amount. Note that while entering amount, the amount will not be too small. When your amount is too small, the ad reach will be lesser. If you choose standard delivery type, the ad can be shown at a normal delivery time. Or it is accelerated delivery type, the ad can be shown quickly. Third-party tracking currently only support links in specific formats provided by Kochava, Sysmic, DCM, AppsFlyer, Tune partners. This is optional. Hope you understand this section. Click on Next. The next section is about how to upload a video in ad section. Upload video from your system or add it from library. If you are uploading, must check the given specifications meets correctly. Here I add it from system. Upload it and click on confirm. After uploading, you need to select thumbnail and click save. If you click auto generated in the ad name section, then the display name that you entered in the ad group section will be shown, or else you can insert the name of your ad here. Next, you need to type a creative text for your ad that will be shown in the ad. The text should be in between 8 to 20 characters. In call action, select an action from the list. This will appear at the bottom of your ad. Click submit. In this section, we successfully uploaded our video. In billing section, you need to enter your business information. Type your business name and website URL as promotion link. Choose your industry from the list. Enter your street address, state, city, and postal code. Note that here you need to enter the business details. In primary contact part, enter your name. In tax information, tax status like business, government authority, etc. are given. So we need to choose one among them. If you want, enter your tax informations like permanent account number, tax account number and GST identification number, and select a payment method of your choice. Then click on submit button. When you click next, it will go to the payment section. Here you need to add your account balance to your account. You need to add minimum of rupees 500. Then click on add now. An alert box will appear now saying to confirm amount. Then click add now. A new page appears. Asking to choose an option to pay. Click on the option of your choice and enter details of your bank account. Then click on proceed. Now the payment section is completed. After finishing payment, we need to check whether our ad is approved or not. To check, go to the campaign section. Click on created campaign. Then we can see the ad. Look at the status. If the status shows in review, then wait until the ad to become active. When your ad is activated, then status shows active exploring. After the activation of the ad, click on the dashboard. Here we can check the status of the ad. That is, we can see the cost, CPC, impressions, etc. The conversions and impressions can be seen as a graph. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon.